It's that time of the show where I ask Drew and Jim, are you too worried about losing your hair?
Huh.
Well, I think all men think about losing their hair. Yeah, and you know, at my age, sort of, I could tell if I was going to be completely bald, I probably would be bald.
If you're going to be gone, it'd be gone by now.
Correct.
But the question is, could losing your hair mean something more serious?
Men who are balding often fret about losing their hair, but should they really be concerned about a far more serious problem associated with baldness? An increased risk of heart disease.
So what does everyone think? Myth or reality? Thinning hair means greater heart attack risk. I would say about 50-50. This is reality.
Ooh,
and I certainly
harsh
don't want to
reality.
scare everyone, but studies do show men with high cholesterol. So at baseline, high cholesterol as well as severe baldness at the vertex or crown of their head have an increased heart attack risk that's nearly threefold compared to men who were not bald.
And I think what you're talking about here, Dr. Travis, is especially this part in a man, that so-called crown of the back of the head. I mean, that thins for most men as we age, but if you have really significant loss in that area, this study shows that you are at higher risk for a heart attack.
And that's going to lead me to my doctor's orders because we have a lot of control over how high our cholesterol levels are. So you can't always control whether or not you bald. But the choices you're making each and every day, those seemingly inconsequential choices about whether to eat fruit instead of a
Cream
high-fat
cheese.
snack. Yes, these little choices do affect what your cholesterol levels are. So I urge you, as part of my doctor's orders, control the things in your life that you can control, because it's a reality that greatly improves your health.